What's up, Nissan owners? It's Christopher here from Cars Unlocked. Today I'm going to show you everything about your Nissan Key Fob, how to use it, replacing the battery, some troubleshooting. Let's get started. So right behind me is the 2020 Nissan Sentra here. It comes with this Nissan Intelligent Key. Now, Nissan hasn't changed their key in probably over a decade. They've added a few features, but it really is the same key. So if you have a Nissan with a push button start, you're gonna have a similar key to this. This one has the remote start, the lock, the unlock, the trunk release, and the panic button. Let's go through the functions, then we'll get to replacing the battery at the end. To use the remote starter here, they say it works up to 400 meters, good for the winter time, but you just need to make sure the car is locked, pushing the lock button twice, and then you click and hold the remote start button there. You hear the car start up automatically. You still need to get in the car and push the start button. If you decide that you're not going to get in the car right away and you don't want to leave it running, you can use the remote start button again. And there you should be able to hear the car shut down. Now, locking and unlocking the vehicle is simple. You do have the traditional method where you can use the lock or the unlock to get in the vehicle, or you can use the button right here on the door, which, as long as you're within a 1 meter radius of the vehicle, you can leave the keys in your pocket, is what I like to do, and you can push this button and you can lock the doors. As you leave the car, you can also lock the door using this button. Now the car is locked. One push will open just your driver's door, while two pushes unlocks every door, including the back doors. Good for child safety measures. Another good feature is, if you've ever locked your keys in the car, you'll know that's a big pain. But if you have your keys in the car and you go to lock the doors, you can see it doesn't let me lock the door, and it gives me that long repeated beep there. That lets you know that the key is in the car and you left it in there. Now, what if your key fob is malfunctioning, or the battery dies, or it's low and you can't get into your car? Well, Nissan's got you covered on that. There's always a way to enter your car with the manual key. If you look at the back here, there is a little tab on the back of your key fob, and you just flick that over and you can pull out from the bottom your regular key. Your car will have a key door in the driver's side that you can stick in and just unlock the car the manual way. You still will need to use the push button start to start the car, and what you have to do is you need to take this Nissan symbol and put it right against the push button start button. There's always enough battery to apply this Nissan symbol for that short-term connection. Similar in the mechanics to what's in the mechanical watches, where it just charges the battery with the movement. So let's jump inside. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this thing if the battery is dead. Okay, so if you want to replace the battery on this thing, you just need to take the key out like I showed you. And then there's a little lip here. I use this small flathead, but you need something small, or like if your nail can do it. I can't do it with my nails, but you just need to stick something strong and sturdy right in the side there, and it comes off in two parts like that. And then you can see there's the battery there. Take the battery out, and then you're going to just want to replace it with the new one. Make sure that everything matches. You can get these at the dealer. You can get them probably online. Wherever you purchase your batteries, just make sure that the batteries match. They're two different brands, but the numbers are the same there, CR2032. And then you just pop her in there, and you're rocking and rolling. They may come apart like that, but it basically just all clips back in together, as you can see, and you put the key back in and you are rocking and rolling. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully this helps you. Guys, if you are a Nissan owner, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, Cars Unlocked, because I have a lot of Nissan tips on my channel, and I'll be filming more videos like this throughout the year.